In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a lifetime deal from Buddyboss. So before we get started, let's dive over here and let's take a look and see what pretty much is the structure of a basic website. So here you can see this is an online course website, and this is how I used to run my website. And trust me, this is really bland. There's no interactions with the students amongst themselves. There's no messaging. So this is really boring. Again, I've also had a membership website which had members in different membership groups. But again, this was really boring because a member would come to the site, consume their content, and pretty much that's it. So I'm really excited today to talk to you about Buddyboss, because this is the key software that allows you to create communities on your online course websites or even on your membership websites. So what this brings is forum discussions, which you may know are really good. Private messaging. So it means that all these people on your website, all these members can message each other, and you can control all of this as well. There's also an activity feed where people can go in and add their messages and respond to each other, add emojis, add images, and so on. So this is really powerful. You also have notifications. So one way to think about this is Facebook on your own website, because you have notifications, you have activity fields, you have groups, you have private communities. It's really powerful. Now, I'm not just talking about this. I actually use it on my own website, and I'm actually applying all these features onto my website. Now, let's talk about a few more features here, and that is social groups. So again, the way to think of this is social groups on a Facebook. Okay, so you can create your own social groups on your own website. So let's say you have members that have signed up for, let's say, VIP membership. You can create a social group for the VIP members only. And let's say you also have another group for gold members. You can set up the social group for that group only. And these two do not meet. So this is really cool. And of course, you also have private communities. So you can have a specific community that you want to have private. Now, one of the features that was recently released is also to use Zoom into these groups. So let's say you set up a Zoom call. This Zoom call can also be set up to be in a specific group which others don't see. Now, this is really cool. So let me show you now how this has been implemented on my site, and also take you through some of these features. Now, you do need to watch this video till the end because I have a fantastic deal for you. Okay. All right. So let's take a look here. So this is my profile, and this is what it looks like. I haven't gone in and designed this. This is pretty much what it looks like. And this is, I'm sure you can agree with me, it's very clean. It's on my proper website. And for those of you that know, this is Funnels to Income. This is my actual website. Now, what I really like about this is the customizations. Now, take a look at this. If I come over here, because as you can see, there's no cover photo here. I can go in, click on this little icon, and add my own cover photo. So if I click here, select your file, I can go to my computer here, downloads folder, double click this. And now this is uploading my photo, which I can then go in, resize, and make sure it's in place where I like this. So as you can see, this profile page pretty much looks like your Facebook profile page, but this is for your own community. This is really cool. So as you can see, my image here has been uploaded. So this looks really cool. You can go in and customize this. You can also change your profile photo here so that when other members see your profile, they can see a really customized profile. Now let's take a look here and see what else we have. So if I come over here to connections, I can view all my connections. And over here, I'm also in part of the VIP group. So if I click here on groups, it's loading my groups, and here it is. So this group has 118 members, and it's telling me here that I am a member. So if I click on this, this is going to take me to the actual group. And in this group here, I can view the feed. So here we have all the messages that can be sent over here, which is pretty cool. Now I can also come here and add my message. So I can say, happy to be here. Now, here's the thing. We can also add or customize this text. So if I highlight this, I can go in here and I can make it bold. I can make it italicized. I can also add links into this. So this is really powerful. Now, if I cancel this, I can just get out of that message. But as you can see here, you can also add a photo onto this. You can just drop it over here. And this makes this really interactive, and all the members can see what is on this activity feed. And like I said, this is going to pretty much look similar to how Facebook looks. We can also send messages here. So let's say you want to send a message to a specific member here, and these are real members, by the way. So all these are real members. You can type your message here and send your message. You also have a photo gallery here. You can upload some photos if you wanted to, but of course here I don't have any photos, but the button is here to add your photos. Now what is exciting here is, let's say you want to create an online community around LearnDash or your online course website. This fully integrates and it is very powerful. Now let me just show you what this looks like. So first of all, I want to show you what the courses page looks like. So if I click here on courses, it's going to show me my courses page, and look at this. This is laid out in such a neat way. I haven't gone in and designed anything here. This is how it comes out of the box. Okay, so if I scroll down here, you can see all my courses, and let's say I want to go into one of these courses. If I click here on a web design formula, for example, this is going to take me now to the course page. And while I'm here, look, this is also custom designed. I haven't designed any of this. It comes with the Buddyboss theme. So let's say I want to click here on this welcome video and start learning. This is now going to take me into the learning view. So here is where I can play my video, and I can also see all my lessons. And also, this is what comes in with Buddyboss. If I click here on this little icon, we go into dark mode. So yeah, you can see everything has gone into dark mode. And let's say you really want to focus in and go through all these videos. There's also another button here. When you click on this, this now gives you more screen real estate. This is fantastic. It's amazing. Okay, so let's bring this back, and also let's get out of dark mode. So as you can see, we have really powerful features, and this is all in the Buddyboss platform. So once you buy Buddyboss, you're going to have access to all these features. Now that's not only what you get, and this is where now I want to talk about the deal. Okay, so over here I have the deal, and this is a lifetime deal. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this, because next time they're going to have it, or if they do have it, it's going to be even more expensive, but they might not even have it again. But here's the thing. If you buy Buddyboss using my affiliate link, here's what you get. I've got some bonuses for you. So you get the Buddyboss Mastery course. Now this is almost complete. It's been in production for quite a while now, but I had to redo some of the lessons because of the new features that were released by Buddyboss. I also have the LearnDash Mastery. So of course you don't want to have just a Buddyboss website. It needs to have either LearnDash running on it or wishlist member to really have that true community. So you also get this course LearnDash Mastery. So you learn how to set it all up. You also have membership website secrets. Now this is based on wishlist member. Now this is also really powerful, because this also will add the community aspect to it. Over here, we have the live workshop. So I know some of you, when you buy this, you want to get up and running really fast. I am going to have a live workshop for anyone that buys this, as well as these courses. Okay, so the live workshop is for you to get up and running really fast, because I don't want you to wait for the course until it's all complete. So the live workshop is where you get to ask me your questions. We get to go through so much, and just to help you get up and running really fast. And this is going to happen after Cyber Monday. Now, here's the thing. Over here is where you need to enter your email, because I need to know where I need to send the bonuses, and also I need to have an idea of who is going to be attending the live workshop. Without this email, there's no way for me to know, for me to notify you. So it's important that you add your email address here. Now, once you add your email address, this will redirect you straight to the deal. Okay, now let's add our email address here and see if this works. Here we go. So that's my email address. I'm going to click here on buy Buddyboss here, and boom. Now this has taken us to the Black Friday deal. There's also a video here that explains the deal as well, so you can go ahead and watch this. But the most important part here is the pricing. So as you can see here, for one site, it's one payment of $6.99. Now I know you may be thinking, wow, $6.99 is a lot of money. Think about this. You pay $6.99 and that's it. You are going to be getting all the updates that are going to be coming through, and they do really update their platform. You're going to also get your security updates. And to be fair, you can make this $6.99 back easy on your membership website or your online course website. And there's also another option. Let's say money is tight and you can't pay this $6.99 upfront. You also have an option of 2 payments. $359, and boom, you're done. And as you can see here, it comes here with all the features. So the fully featured theme and plugin, lifetime license, lifetime support, lifetime updates, lifetime 10% off on the Buddyboss app, which is something that you may want to look at as well. Right. So moving on, we also have the 5 websites. Now, this is where now you need to be thinking about maybe perhaps creating a website for others. And you can charge really a lot of money for a website which has all these features. So this is where you can buy a license for 5 sites. And remember, these are one time. So what you would do in this case is, let's say you're building a website for other clients. You can charge them a monthly or even a yearly charge for updates and any of these features that you'll be getting from, say, Buddyboss. So it's up to you how you're going to do it, but you can easily implement a maintenance plan onto this. But you have paid the lifetime license for it. So this is really, really cool. Now, moving on here, again, this is 10 sites. And again, similar thing. This is for agencies or if you want to design a website for others. So as you can see, this deal is fantastic. You get this lifetime deal and you also get courses from me to get you up and running. And I also help you set up your own online course website or your own membership website with an online community. All right, so pretty much that's all I have. And remember, this is a one-time deal, and also it only has 4 days. So once this is done, it's gone. That's it. And there is nothing that I can do about it. But I would truly invest in this. This is a fantastic deal. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next video. Take care.